Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your friend Shubhranshu and you are watching my channel whose name is Anyone Can Be Creative, where I bring to you some videos related to origami craft and puzzle solving. Today my video is on a pattern to be made in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's see what's it. I will not reveal its name now. So this is our 3x3 Rubik's Cube. At first, we have to see some basic patterns. Some basic notations. You will be seeing them in your screen as well. Right layer shown with R, left layer L, middle layer M, upper layer U, center layer C, down layer D, front layer F, E layer E and back layer B. So let's explain this. The layer operating with my right hand is the right layer. Layer operating with my left hand is the left layer. Layer between right and left is the middle layer. Okay. The layer in the upper side is the upper layer. Okay, this layer. Layer down is the down layer. And layer between upper and down is the center layer. Okay. Now the layer in the front side, this one is the front layer. Layer at the back side is the back layer. And layer between front and back is the E layer. Okay. So this is right, left, then middle, upper, center, down, front, E and back layer. Okay. Now let us see some basic notations. We use for right, left and middle layer upward and downward arrow. For upper, center and D layer forward and backward arrow. And for F, E and back layer we use clockwise and anti-clockwise arrow. Okay, you have understand? I think so. Now here is the pattern. Algo for making the box pattern, and another pattern is also there, algo for making the 4-dot pattern. One thing I must make clear that to make these patterns we use a solved Rubik's Cube. So if you do not know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, click the I icon here or go in the description. I have given the link there. Okay. So algo for making the box pattern. What it says? C forward, M down, C backward and M up. So let's apply this algorithm. What it says? C forward, M down, C backward and M up. And see, it's like box, all blue and red center, red orange, yellow center, sorry, yellow blue center. It's also called the 6-dot pattern because see, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot and 6 dot. Okay, it's also called the 6-dot pattern. Now let's see how to reverse this. To reverse this, we have to just reverse this pattern and we will reverse this as well. So here is written, no, at first let me see from where I who held it. Huh. Always remember that from where you held the cube, you have to hold it like that only. Otherwise, the reverse pattern will not work. So reverse algorithm will not work. So let's reverse the algorithm. What it says m up, so we will do m down, center forward, so center backward, m down, so m up, and center forward, so center backward. You will be seeing this algorithm in here as well. Okay, again see, center forward, middle down, center backward, and middle up. And reversing this pattern, middle down, center back forward, middle up, center backward. Okay, in this way you can make this 6 dot or the box pattern. Now for making this 4 dot pattern, to make the 4 dot pattern, at first we have to make the 6 dot or this box pattern. So let's make it C forward, M down, C backward, M up. Okay, now the position where you held the cube, hold it like that only, and use this algorithm. What it says, M up, C forward, M down, C backward, and see this gap, and this gap filled, and 1 2 4 1 2 3 and 4 dots are created. Okay, see, now reversing is also same, just opposite of this algorithm. C here is written C forward, so C backward, M down, so M up, C forward, so C backward, and then M up, so M down. And from here you will get the box pattern situation. Once you get the box pattern situation, also reverse this algorithm as well. M down, C forward, M up, and C backward. In this way you can create these two patterns. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click the like icon and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe. I spend a lot of time making these videos, so there must be a subscribe from you all. Okay, and like it as well. Share this video with your friends. Comment in the comment section on how do you fill out the video. Meet with you in another video. Until then, goodbye.